In the fast-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands out as a pivotal force reshaping our interaction with devices, particularly tablets. As we navigate the digital age, it's intriguing to explore how AI is engineering the next generation of tablet technology. Let's begin by considering the fundamental ways AI is transforming the tablet experience. Imagine a tablet that doesn't just follow commands but anticipates your needs. This is no longer the realm of science fiction. AI algorithms can analyze user habits to predict which apps you might want to access next, dynamically realigning the interface for optimal efficiency. Such advancements highlight an unprecedented level of personalization, catering to individual preferences with precision that was once unimaginable. Furthermore, AI enhances functionality through sophisticated features like voice recognition. Tablets equipped with AI-driven virtual assistants, such as Siri or Google Assistant, can comprehend and process complex voice commands. These digital companions have graduated from mere task assistants to intelligent consultants, capable of conducting voice-to-text conversions, making voice-activated calls, and even engaging in insightful dialogues, all with remarkable accuracy and ease. AI's impact extends to security, offering robust protection mechanisms that were previously unattainable on such a scale. Biometric authentication is a prime example, where AI algorithms optimize facial recognition technologies to differentiate between photographs and real faces. Constant learning and adaptation refine these security measures over time, ensuring a secure and seamless user experience without compromising convenience. Beyond interface and security, AI amplifies creativity in tablet use. Artists can truly unleash their potential with AI-powered drawing tools that suggest colors, styles, or techniques to enhance artwork. Writers and creators can benefit from AI suggestions that aid in drafting creative content, streamlining what used to be labor-intensive processes. This democratization of creativity amplifies human ingenuity by providing tools that evolve with the artist. The educational potential is equally promising. Educators and students gain access to personalized educational material tailored by AI to suit varied learning rhythms. Interactive learning modules driven by artificial intelligence adjust difficulty levels in real time, offering students the support they need to excel. Imagine a virtual tutor so attuned to your progress that it recalibrates challenges instantly. This fosters an enriching learning environment, transforming educational experiences. Of course, with all innovations come challenges. The ethical considerations regarding AI will require careful navigation. Issues of privacy, data security, and responsible usage of artificial intelligence in dispelling misinformation are paramount. As AI technology evolves, so must our frameworks to govern it, ensuring that the benefits enhance our lives without compromising our values. As we conclude, the implication of AI in tablet technology is both revolutionary and far-reaching. It enriches user interaction, fortifies security, fuels creativity, and personalizes learning. While challenges remain, the potential for AI to transform tablets into ever more intelligent and intuitive devices is a testament to the dynamic interplay between technology and human aspirations. The era of AI-driven tablets is not merely a vision for the future, it is the tangible frontier of today's technological journey.